Massachusetts health officials say deaths from opioid overdoses in the state continue to decline.
Several local communities here in southern New England are among those seeing a notable decrease. Eyewitness News reporter Sheena Loshudo spoke with the local fire department about the newly released numbers and joins us live in studio with the new details tonight. Sheena?
Well, when you break down the numbers in Massachusetts, there were 17 fewer opioid-related deaths in 2018 compared to 2 years ago. And in 2017, there were 50 fewer deaths compared to 2016. Newly released data from the Massachusetts Department of Health reveals opioid-related deaths have gone down about 4% between 2016 and 2018.
More people are trained on Narcan.
Paul Jakes, president of the Attleboro Firefighters Union, says the decline could be thanks to more and more people being familiar with Narcan. He explains how firefighters often respond to overdose calls.
Our members are on the front lines on the opioid crisis. We respond right away. With firefighters trained at all levels, especially paramedic levels, where they administer Narcan and try to save lives.
The Department of Health listed Attleboro as a city that saw a notable decrease. We broke down the numbers for you. In 2016, there were 23 opioid-related overdose deaths, 40 in 2017, and then the number dropped down to 16 in 2018. Governor Charlie Baker says while overall these numbers are encouraging, the epidemic continues to challenge Massachusetts. Jake says he believes education and training can make a difference, and the more people who know how to use Narcan, the better.
I mean, one death is too many, so the more education, the more Narcan we can get out there and the trained individuals to stop this, to help stop this, then the better.
We also checked in with the Rhode Island Department of Health. The Ocean State is also seeing the number of opioid-related deaths go down. In 2018, 314 people died from an overdose. That's about 6% less than the number the state saw in 2016. I'm Sheena Loshudo, Eyewitness News.